Because of its comprehensive set of features, professional grade capabilities, and broad acceptance among filmmakers, editors of video, and content producers. Adobe Premiere Pro has been considered to be one of the most effective video editing software programs now offered in industry. Premiere Pro, which was originally created by Adobe, has developed into an essential instrument for creating videos during the span of its time on the market. It provides editing workflows with a previously unattainable degree of flexibility and efficiency. Adobe Premiere Pro can trace its origins hacks to the early 1990s when the business bought its software from a company dubbed software. This event represented the starting point of Adobe's growth and development. Adobe Premiere goes through a number of modifications and improves since its first release in 1991. In 2003, Adobe Premiere Pro emerged as an important milestone in the creation of Adobe Premiere. In the several decades that have gone by since then, Adobe has consistently improved the program with groundbreaking features and modifications in order to adapt to the ever-changing needs of users. One of the most important features is the timeline-based editing feature. Video clips, music, and other media assets could be arranged and edited with precision and flexibility using Adobe Pro's timeline-based interface, which allows users to do so. Editors are able to change or enhance their projects through use of their timeline and act as the core working workspace. 2. Comprehensive editing tools. Premiere Pro includes a broad variety of editing tools like trimming, cutting, splitting, and combining functions. Video editors having a capacity to enhance the visual appeal of their films by using transition effects and filters which end up resulting in results that's the highest quality. Third, integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Since Premiere Pro is a part of Adobe Creative Cloud's ecosystem, it designs with the other Adobe use such as Adobe Effects, Audition by Adobe, and Photoshop by Adobe in clean and seamless manner. Users are able to take use of combined capabilities of numerous Adobe products because to this connection, thereby rendering methods easier. Premiere Pro has sophisticated color grading abilities that allows editors to precisely modify the color and tone of their video. The feature is commonly referred to as advanced color grading in order to facilitate imaginative creation and the fine-tuning of visual aesthetics. The Lumetri color panel offers a complete range of settings that could be to change factors such as being exposed, contrast, saturation, and more. 5. Audio editing and mixing. In addition to video editing, Premiere Pro provides a wide range of utilities for doing audio editing. These features include waveform presentation, audio effects, and multi-track mixing. Using the tool, editors are able to produce professional quality sounds, synchronize recordings, and get rid of background noise on their own projects. In order to deliver effective efficiency all over the editing plus exporting operations, Premiere Pro makes use of GPU acceleration and enhanced rendering algorithms. This feature is also known as high performance graphics and exporting. To accommodate an extensive spectrum of distribution needs for broadcast, online, and streaming platform, users has the ability to export their productions in a wide range of types and qualities too. 7. Collaborative workflows. Premiere Pro facilities collaborate editing workflow via capabilities like team projects and shared projects. These features make it easy for several users to work together on the same project, whatever their physical locations may be. This renders it simpler for everybody on the team to collaborate collaboratively efficiently. cross-platform capabilities. Adobe Premiere Pro is available for both the Mac OS and Windows platform, which guarantee it is compatible with a wide range of system of operation and accessible to users of a wide range of devices. Adoption and impact in the business. Adobe Premiere Pro has become the predominant software for video editing in the business, and it is extensively used in the making of content for television, the internet, and the film industry. The enormous popularity of the application among professionals and supporters may be attributed to its simple to use design, extensive feature set, and easy relationship with other Photoshop products. Whether they work on an indie project or a big budget production, filmmakers rely on the Premiere Pro to bring their imagination ideas to life, simplifying their post production process while providing high quality content to viewers all over the globe is made feasible by video editors by using its advanced editing tools and comparative processes. In summary, Premiere Pro by Adobe presents a formidable force in the field of video editing software. It presents consumers with a wide range of features, procedures that's easy to understand and compatibilities that are suitable for professional usage. Adobe's devotion to innovation and quality and fulfilling the requirement of the constantly changing digital media the environment has been seen in the company's development from the time it was founded till in the current day. Clients of Premiere Pro are given the power to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas into reality, whether they are making cinematic outstanding works, fantastic documentary films, or entertaining internet clips.